I like to draw. I draw my family.
The sky is not blue now. The clouds are gray.
Hi, James. What do you see?
I see rain.
Yes, it is starting to rain.
The rain is very strong now. Yes, it is a big storm.
The rain is very strong now.
Yes, it is a big storm.
James, you can rest in your room.
Okay, Mom.
I am in the kitchen. Call me if you need.
I hear the rain. The rain is very loud. I see the big storm. I don't like this rain. Ah! I am scared. I don't like this storm. Oh no! The light is gone. Mom, Dad? I am very scared. I don't like this dark. I want my mom and dad.
The light is gone.
Yes, the electricity is off. James is alone in his room.
He may be scared. I take this candle.
I take this small lamp.
Let's go to James.
Yes, he needs us. James, come with us.
Let's go to the living room.
I don't want to stay here alone.
You will not be alone. We are with you.
Mom, Dad!
We are here, James.
You are safe.
I was very scared.
We understand. We'll stay with you.
The house is very dark.
Yes, but the candle gives us light.
Hold my hand,
Your
James.
hand feels warm.
Look, now we have more light.
This is our small camp.
Our camp in the storm.
The thunder is big. It will pass.
We are together.
Okay.
Where is Lily?
She is in her room.
Is she scared too?
Maybe a little. Lily! Come here, please. We are in the living room.
I hear Mom. I will go. I have an idea.
Hi, I heard the thunder. I bring a big blanket.
What will we do with it?
We can make a blanket house.
That is a fun idea.
Yes, very fun.
A house inside the house. Let's make it now.
Move this chair.
Put it here.
I can help.
Be careful.
We need pillows. This one is soft.
Put it inside.
Good job.
Wow, our blanket house is ready. It looks warm and safe.
It is strong.
Good job, everyone.
Let us go inside now.
It is nice inside. Yes, it feels cozy. I like this little house.
Me too. I feel calm.
I hear thunder again.
It is okay, James. We are together.
The blanket house keeps us safe.
I will tell a story.
I like stories.
Tell a happy one.
Yes, a happy story.
It looks warm and safe.
It is strong. Good job, everyone.
Let us go inside now.
It is dark, but I feel safe. I like this small house.
We only get Rosia.
Mom, can I ask James to love me when I'm scared?
Yes, James. You love me.
Yes, I love you when you cry.
Do you love me when I make a mistake?
Yes, I love you when you make a mistake. Do you love me when I cry?
Yes, I love you when you cry. Do you love me when I make a mistake?
Yes, I love you when I am noisy. Yes, I love you when you are noisy. I love you when you are quiet too.
Do you love me when I'm scared of thunder? Sometimes.
I feel scared at night.
Sometimes I feel worried, but love stays. Let's play a word game. I say rain.
You say.
A new cloud. I say.
Let's play a short game. I like games.
Me too. I start.
James, what do you hear now? I hear rain. I hear thunder.
Lily, what do you see?
I see a candle.
The lights are back.
Our blanket house is still here. Can we stay here a little more? Back. Our blanket house is still here.
Can we stay here a little more?
Yes, we can stay a few minutes. The light is back.
The house is bright again.
I'm not scared now.
You were very brave.
Thank you for helping, James.
We had a good night together.
The thunder is quiet now.
Yes, it is almost gone.
You can sleep well tonight.
Yes, I think I can.
Mom, do you still love me now?
Yes, I love you now, tonight, and tomorrow, even when I am scared again. Good night, my brave boy.
Good night, Mom.
I love you.
I love you too. Good night, my brave boy.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
I love you too.
There you go.
How did you sleep, James?
I slept well. I was not scared. I liked our blanket house.
Me too. Thank you for helping, James.
You are welcome, Mom.
Last night was scary.
Yes, we had a
Last night
good
was-
storm night together.
James, did you sleep well last night?
Yes, Mom.
Were you scared after the storm?
No, I remembered that you love me.
James, did you sleep well last night?
Yes, Mom.
Were you scared after the storm?
No, I remembered that you love me.
Thank you for staying with me in the dark. You are welcome, James. When you remember our love, yes, Mom, we'll remember.
Do you have your English book?
Oh, I almost forgot.
Put it in your bag.
Yes, I need it for school today.
Are you ready for school, James?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you remember last night?
Yes, I was scared of Danes. Look, a big puddle! Be careful, James. I jump over it.
Nice jump. Your shoes stay dry.
Mom, look, a rainbow. Yes, the sun is back. Rainbows.
After a big storm, we sometimes see a rainbow.
Look, a big puddle.
Be careful, James.
I jump over it.
Nice jump. Your shoes stay dry.
Last night, I was very scared.
Yes, but you were brave too.
I talked to you.
When you
again.
talk, fear becomes smaller. Here is your school, James.
Yes, Mom.
Have a good day.
I will. Thank you for last night.
You are
Love
welcome.
you. Hi, James.
Good morning.
Hi, Sam.
Hi, Mia.
Did you hear the big storm? Yes, I will tell you at break time.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Sit down, please. Children, was there rain last night?
Yes.
Was the storm big or small?
It was big.
Thank you, James. Now the storm is gone and we are safe. Children, was there rain last night?
Yes.
Was the storm big or small?
It was big.
Thank you, James. Now the storm is gone and we are safe.